My next popular one is how you can nyam so, which basically means that you eat a lot. Like somebody that loves to eat. Another popular one that we like to use out here is Ghana foreign. Ghana foreign basically means the person gone overseas or they gone abroad. Appear rumors of one. That means a lot of rumors are being are going on. The next popular one is Tantedy, which is Tantedy, which means to stay steady. That you should stay steady. Like for instance, your mom may be combing your hair. Like a little child, for instance, their mom may be combing their hair and they're moving up and down. They're moving up and down, so it should be like Tantedy, which basically means to stay steady. The next popular one I like to use is you're too red eye, which basically means that you're too envious. Next popular one is carry go bring come, which basically means like gossip. Overseas, you guys will call it gossip, but we say carry go bring come. And next popular one is I saw him tan, which basically means that he is this is what he is like, I should say. And next popular one that we like to use for all the party goers and the people that like to party is me bleach hard last night, which basically means I party straight through the night. Let me repeat, me bleach